Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rover YouTube channel. Today we are building a fully functional CRM, if not customer relationship management system using Google Apps Script and Google Sheet as our database. So this CRM will include contact management. It means it contains create, read, update and delete functions. Then we called, it is a CRUD application. Then activity tracking, data export to Excel. So these facilities or these options include this CRM. So by the end of this video, you will have a production ready CRM that you can deploy for your business or clients. Okay, let's dive in. And also, before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. I will guide you step by step how to create this CRM application. So first of all, you need to log into your Gmail account or Google Drive. So in this case, I'm going to log my Google Drive. So I have already logged into my Gmail account. Now I have this kind of interface. So there, first of all, I'm going to create a new Google Sheet. So this CRUD or this CRM application stores data into a Google Sheet. So therefore, here I need to create a new Google Sheet. To create a new Google Sheet, what you should do is you need to click on this new button. Then from this drop down menu, go to Google Sheets. Then you need to select blank spreadsheet. So once you click on the blank spreadsheet, then you can see this kind of spreadsheet. So it is quite similar to Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So first of all, I want to design a table for my CRM application. So I'd like to save my spreadsheet like this. So I'm going to name my spreadsheet as CRM. Then I want to rename my newly added Google Sheet as CRM underscore data. My CRM table contains already 8 fields, 8 columns. Now I'm going to design my CRM data or the CRM table. So here, first field is ID. Second field is name. Third field, email. Fourth one, phone. Then after that, status. Last, contact. Then notes. So the final field is for activities. So these are the columns of my table. So this table will store data according to the user inputs. Now what I did, I created a new Google Sheet. Then I renamed my sheet as CRM underscore data, and also basics table setup is okay. Now the next part is AppScript part. So here under this project we are building a front end. So here a clean responsive web app using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap, and backend. Google Apps Script handles all the CRUD operations, and the database Google Sheets stores all contact data. So this is what we are going to create after that. Here the best part is no external servers, everything runs on Google's infrastructure, so everything is free, so you don't want to bother about cost. Okay, so that is the best part of this CRM application. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the extensions. So from this menu I select AppScript. Now I have a window like this. Now I have a AppScript window. So here I am going to rename this untitled project as CRM. Then click on rename. Now I rename the AppScript part as CRM. So in this case I have pre-written code set. So I have pre-written code set relevant to this project. So therefore I don't want to type each and every code line, and it saves your time. Therefore I'm going to copy and paste all the code in part here. So I have according to my pre-written code set. So this contains basically three files: code.js, index.html and JavaScript. So these three files need to create this CRM application. So first of all, I'm going to open code.js. So this is the code.js file. Now I'm going to select Control A, then Control C, copy. Then I am going to paste code.js codes here like that. Now I am going to save the code.js file. So after that I need to add another file. So it is HTML file. So I am going to name it as index. So this is the index file. Now I'm going to open the index file or index.html file. Now I am going to select all the codes, HTML codes, Control A, Control C. Then you need to paste your codes here. Right. So finally, what I need, I have to add another file. So it is javascript.html file. So therefore I am going to add another file. To add files, you need to click on this plus mark. Then you need to select the file type. So here I am going to add javascript.html file. Now I am going to rename my file as javascript. Now I am going to open the JavaScript code file, then Control O, Control C, then you need to paste it here and save the process. Now we have three files. First one code.js file, second one index.html file, and finally javascript.html file. So these you can so I'll give you these all the code files. Then those who want to develop this CRM application further, then based on this code set you can develop further, or otherwise you can use it as it is. So you can easily download these 3 code files by following Gumroad link. So I will include the link under the video description. So by following the Gumroad link, you can take all these code files and use it according to your requirements. Okay. Further, if you want to develop further, you can develop. If not, you can use this basic version for your day-to-day activities. Okay. So now the next step is I'm going to deploy this project. To deploy, what you should do is just click on this deploy button, then select new deployment. So here click on this gear icon. So there you need to select web app. So here just type CRM. You need to give a description CRM version 1.0. Right, now I select anyone, the option, then you need to click on the deploy button. After that you need to authorize access. So here I give permission to this Gmail account. So from this you need to select advanced, then select go to CRM or unsafe. You need to click this link, then press allow. Now we have link like this. So what you should do is you need to click on this link. So once you click on this link, you can see this kind of interface. Now I am going to enter few data to check the process. Now to add new contacts to your CRM application, you need to click on this new contact button. So here you need to give your data. So under the full name, I am going to enter new name. So here you have a drop down. So from this drop down, you have to select the type of your contact: lead, contacted, customer, or lost. So here I am going to select lead for this data entry. So here you can add notes. So once you fill all the text boxes, you need to click save contact. So once you save your contact, it will show in this grid, and also it will count total contacts here. On the other hand, you can see recent activities from this part. Now I want to go to Google Sheet, check whether, yeah, you can see our record successfully updated. Here under the activities column, you can see activity for this data entry has updated successfully. You can see type created, date, updated date and time, and the user, and this is the email I used to access the system, and this is the record I entered through that. Now I am going to add another entry. So to add another entry, just click on the new contact. This is my second data entry. So I filled all the text boxes. Then I am going to click on the save contact. Yes, my second contact also updated. You can see when I select different states, it shows under the different color scheme. So it is easy to recognize. And now my total contact count is 2. And this is the recent activity. It is shown here. And this is the grid operation. Now I am going to enter another contact. So now I change status to lost, and I entered other details. Now I am going to click on the save contact. So once I save the contact, you see lost contacts shows from red color. Now I have already 3 contacts. Now here, likewise, you can use this CRM dashboard for your freelancing works and also for your business activities to manage customer relationships. So actually this dashboard is really clear and easy to manage. So on the other hand, if I want to view a contact, what to do? So just to view a contact, just click on this icon, then you can see, or then you can view your contact like that. So if you want to edit your contact, you can edit through this edit button. If not, you can close your contact like that. So if you want to delete, you can delete by pressing this delete button. On the other hand, this CRM facilitate to export data to Excel. To export details, what you should do is you need to click on this export button. So once you click on the export button, what happens? It automatically download our details to Excel format. So now I am going to open the Excel file. Now let's see how it opens. Now yes, this is the export data to Microsoft Excel. You can see export all the details of our database, so you can use or you can further analyze using Microsoft Excel. Okay, now you can see this is the export button likewise. So let's see how to delete button works. So if you want to delete a contact, what you should do is you need to click on this delete icon. Now here I am going to delete this lost contact. Then you have a message like this: are you sure you want to delete this contact? Then press OK. There's a message called contact deleted. Now we have only 2 contacts because we deleted 1 contact. So likewise, you can create this kind of CRM application, Google Sheet and AppScript. So that's it. You now have a fully functional CRM built with Google AppScript. If you want the full code, please check the Gumroad link. So there you can easily download these code files and make your own CRM application. So that's it for today. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Put a like if you found this helpful and comment if you want to follow up. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.